In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize finances and budgets in ClickUp. We'll walk through setting up a ready-made budget system using a template, and then explore the different views it gives you for planning, tracking income, expenses, and overall cash flow. Start by heading to your list view in ClickUp. Make sure you're in the space or folder where you actually want your finances and budget to live. This will keep everything organized alongside your other work, rather than scattered across your workspace. Next, look for the small plus icon right next to the space or folder name where you want to add your finances and budgets management. Click that plus icon. This is how you create something new in that location. From the options that appear, click on templates. Using a template is much faster than building a financial tracking system from scratch, and it ensures you start with a structure that already makes sense. You'll now see a template window with a search bar. Click into the search bar and type simple budget. This will help you quickly find the specific budget template we're going to use. When you see the simple budget template appear in the results, click on it. This will open a preview so you can confirm it's the one you want to use. Inside that preview, click on Use Template. This tells ClickUp you want to create a new list based on this budget structure. You'll now be asked to give this new list a name. Type in something clear and recognizable, like finances, budget, or whatever naming style fits your workspace. A clear name will make it easier to find later, especially if you work with a team. Once you've named it, click on Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will now generate your new budget list with all its pre-built views and fields. Give it about 10 seconds to load. During this time, ClickUp is creating all the views, columns, and any automation included in the template. When it finishes, you'll be taken to the net cash view. This view is designed to show you your overall cash position, and it's fairly self-explanatory once you start entering income and expenses. To understand how everything works, click on the Getting Started Guide view. This view walks you through how the template is structured and gives you guidance on how to use it effectively. Next, click on the Budget Plan view. Here you can see and edit your budget plan itself, categories, planned amounts, and timeframes. Adjust these to reflect your real-world budget. Then click on Income. This view focuses only on your income items, so you can add, edit, and review all your revenue sources in one place. After that, click on Expenses. This view does the same thing, but for all your outgoing costs. Use it to track and update every type of expense you have. Finally, click on the Board view. This gives you an overall board-style overview of everything in your budget system, making it easier to move items through stages or group them visually